Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Nim.video. This is a software used to create videos using prompts. We were creating some images and based on those images we were creating videos. We added music, we added sound to some of those videos. We even added some speech. We were checking out the lip sync option that the software has. But if you haven't checked out the previous videos, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it's capable of. I'm using one of the paid plans of the software, so I have some credits that I can use. If you want to use some of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. Today we're gonna check out some other functionalities of the software where you can upload a video that you recorded yourself and you can restylize it and you can reuse it in different ways. I just filmed a really short clip of my face. The software requires that the clip is less than 15 megabytes and that it has less than 300 frames. So without further ado, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen better and I can show you this tool. See you guys in the end. So these are some of the projects that we were creating in the previous videos. In the first video we created these characters, this cat and dog character with the forest background, and on another video we created these two characters to showcase the lip sync power of the software. We even restylized one of the videos to be more cartoonish, but as I was telling you just some seconds ago, you can even upload your own video and reimagine it using the software. Here we're on the Create tab where you are seeing all of these videos that we created previously. But if we go to the Tools tab, we can click on Restyle Video, and right here we can upload one video that we have created previously. This is the video that we're gonna be using. This is a really short clip, a live clip that I'm gonna be using with Nim. This is just me in this example. So as you see, it's a really short clip of me introducing myself to the camera. If we click right here on upload, we can upload the video. Once again, the video must be less than 15 megabytes in weight and it must be less than 300 frames. Once the video has finished uploading, you can describe the new style that you want the video to have. You can pick from all these other different styles. You can make it in an animation kind of style, in a minimalistic kind of style, and so on. For example, let's say that we want a foggy forest and we want a forest style on the new video. If we click on generate, the software is gonna take a couple of seconds to render the new video. So this is the video that the software created. Let's check it out. This is a really short clip, a live clip that I'm gonna be using with Nim. This is a really short clip, a live clip that I'm gonna be using with Nim. As you see, it added the foggy forest style and the prompt was just forest style. So the background looks a bit more like a forest. It even added a bit of the sky and my clothing is foggy. It's not that discernible, let's say. Let's say now that we want to make a little video out of an image of myself and then use that video. If we click right here on the video tool, we can click on image to video and we can upload an image of myself, such as this one. And we can try something new. For example, we can add the software to remove the background, replace it green screen, and we can click on generate and see what the software does. So let's check out the video that the software created. As you see, it removed completely the background that I had previously. It added a green screen. This is really useful if you want to add another background to one of your videos. It even made me blink in the new video, whether the image was static, obviously. And all in all, this video is much more usable than the image because you could add any background that you want in another editor. For example, in Final Cut, you can even add the keyer and you can add another background that you want to use in the final video. The image to video tool is really useful for these scenarios. And you can even make it longer. You can even add audio. You can even make the guy in the image, this guy that is me in this scenario, be speaking. You can even add lip sync as we did on the previous videos, and you can fine tune it so it is specifically the way that you want it to use in different scenarios. That is pretty much how you create a really fast video using an image, and how you can reuse a video that you have already created to make it a different style. You could even have screenshots of a video and then create videos out of that screenshot, out of that image, as I showed you just some seconds ago. I really want to emphasize the importance of having a software that can remove the background for you and create a video using an image, because you can use it to replace it with different backgrounds and different assets if you want to create a new video with that specific image. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, because it is helpful for me. I'm just learning tools as I'm creating these videos. I'm learning some tools as well. Once again, this is one of the paid plans of the software. There are some affiliate links on the description box down below if you want to use them as well. My name is Santiago. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. I want to read all of your comments down below. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.